Hackstars 2014, David Fladden's Orange team, location is Dublin, and we have a couple of ideas we'd like to share with you today. The first idea I'd like to share today is HMH Checker. It's a tool to provide a technology compatibility check, ensuring our customers get the full correct experience we expect them to when using HMH products and content. For example, making sure that GoMat Academy customers are using Internet Explorer 10. Currently, our existing tool, Web Checker, is an outdated independent hosted solution. There's a plan to migrate it very soon to a new data center, and one vendor has estimated this to cost $50,000. So it's the ideal time to address this issue. Here you see several of our applications like RightSource and HMOF that use the existing Web Checker. You can see how it opens up in a new domain, webchecker.hmhpub.com. So this is the new version we've implemented. We don't have the same domain issues. And again, we can use JavaScript. We haven't done anything here with the user interface, but it's something that we think we could improve. We're avoiding cross-domain issues as well. So HMH Checker is a solution that we re-engineered from the existing Web Checker application. The build process was redesigned to use Maven and Nexus. We created a new Web Checker artifact and stored that in the HMH repository, where it's available to be downloaded by other HMH applications. They simply have to put these 4 lines into their build process and it will be automatically downloaded. The files then are included as part of the host application's deployment. So we've no cross-domain issues and we've less applications to support. The solution is very easy to maintain and implement. The product could be improved, but it's currently a working solution. It's ready for production. The solution benefits customers by improving their experience. There's financial benefits for HMH, such as the $50,000 to migrate the existing solution. You could avoid that. We'd have one less independent application for HMH to support and maintain. We remove cross-domain scripting problems. I also implemented an API version to present to third parties and support the API strategy, informing the third parties on what technologies we plan to support, such as which browser versions, which operating systems, and I make that available through RESTful and JSON service. Here we see the API version, which just replies with JSON, outlining the min and max versions of various technologies that HMH supports. Our second idea is the addition of autocomplete functionality to the ThinkCentral login pages. So this idea came about in response to an existing customer complaint from Orange County. The frustration was with the current lengthy ThinkCentral login process. We originally thought when we heard the complaint that it was something to do with performance, but the customer actually took time out to record the process and it was more down to usability. So if I show you that recording that the customer sent in, you can get an idea of their frustration. So to improve the user experience, I'll just show you what we've put in place. This is on a local server. So we now have autocomplete similar to if you're doing a Google search. Let's see how much quicker it is. See, the user is still struggling to log in. So our solution will have the following impacts. It will improve customer experience. The first impression of our application, Think Central, will be improved. Improved customer relations, as we are seen to be actively listening and reacting to the customer's complaints. The product is very easy to implement. We have a complete working solution. The solution benefits all Think Central customers, and the solution also benefits HMH by demonstrating we are listening to the customer while also displaying we are a tech-savvy company using the latest web features and functionality. Our final idea was a simple but cutting-edge website to just simply launch HMH content. If we produce new content, we normally have to depend on a third-party learning management system or one of our legacy applications to showcase this. So if a sales rep is going out to the field to show this, he either has to go to log into HMOF or TC, and we feel that that could be a limiting experience. It'd be better to control the experience from third-party LMSs and really showcase HMH and its technology capabilities. So just as an idea of what you could do here, and this is far from a finished product, we ran out of time, but just a nice clean interface. And we just go in and simply kind of launch the content from there or do a search. And we can add fancy HTML5 and JavaScript functionality and launch our content from there. And that's the end of our presentation. Thanks for your time.